Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a South Slope. So this one was originally created by Michael Madrusin, who is the author of A Spot at the Bar, one of my favorite cocktail books. I will link to the cocktail book in the description below, so make sure you check that out. An Australian author, he is also the owner of the Everly in Melbourne. This creation is a 5-ingredient cocktail. So I like gin and Aperol, Lillet, all those flavors go really well together, and then we've got a citrus liqueur. Keep in mind that the original recipe he did call for Marie Brizard Orange Curacao. I'm using Mandarin Napoleon, which is a cognac-based citrus liqueur, similar but not the same. So please keep that in mind. Let's just get straight onto the drink. It's a really nice, easy recipe to remember. Thanks Kyle for the bottle of Beefeater gin. So first three ingredients are 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce, and that is the last of my Beefeater. So Aperol, gin and Aperol just go like hand in hand together. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Lillet, Lillet Blanc, which is a wine-based aperitif. It's from France, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. And then your orange liqueur. I'm using a different citrus liqueur. 15 ml, half an ounce. And then follow that up with a 15 ml, half an ounce measure of fresh lemon juice. Forgot to turn my ice machine on, so I am using a cracked clear cube. Before anyone has a go at me for using my hands for this ice, this is a warehouse. This is a studio. I'm making the drinks for myself. So if you're working in a bar, then obviously use an ice scoop. Don't handle the ice like I just have, but I'll make it for myself, so it doesn't matter. Give it a quick shake, and you're good to go. Into a chilled glass. Original recipe does call for a coupe, Nicanora, double strain, and this is my kind of cocktail. Gin based, Aperol, so there's some subtle bitterness to it. I really like my citrus cocktails, so it's got a little bit of citrus, so best of all my favorite ingredients. And then garnish with a twist of lemon. There you have a South Slope. Cheers. When you raise the glass, you get those really vibrant citrusy notes. And the Aperol, you do get a lot of citrus from the Lillet Blanc as well. But those flavors, all those ingredients work really well together. I like the addition of the Mandarin Napoleon, the brandy-based or cognac-based citrus liqueur. It's nice. It's really easy to drink. I think the bitterness adds another dimension, but the bitterness is toned down with all the other ingredients, so it's not overwhelming. This is my kind of cocktail, to a T. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.